Today is 24th December, and look, this is a thunder and flashes, and now is a 1:30, just daytime, but it's so dark. Look, it's heavy rain. Wow, it's wind and thunder. So thunder again, flashes. I just want, friends, to show you the weather in December, nearly January, in a country Cork in Ireland. Sometimes the weather is much better, but most of the time it's like this. Even it's a end of December, it still be green everywhere. Look, so beautiful it is. You can see green colors in a winter time and the forest. Look, it's a green here. Thank you, friends, for your watching. A lot of greetings from Ireland, and I would like to tell thank you one more time for people who gave us the shelter from the war. Thank you very much, and see you in the next videos.